Good evening, friends. This is Dr. Pradeep Kumar for Engineering Clinic. In this post, we are going to see how to install Windows 10 operating system in MacBook Pro, which has Big OS Sur. So you can download the Windows 10 ISO directly from website, Microsoft website. So as you can see here, so there is a link download Windows 10 disk image ISO file. So where you can go and select the which edition. So it is October 2020 edition. Click it and click it confirm. Once it is confirmed, it will be asking you which version of Windows you have. So I have selected English International. Then you confirm. After you confirm, it will be giving you two options. One is whether you want 32-bit or 64-bit operating system. So then I can download the 64-bit. So for all of you, the recommendation will be 64-bit operating system is always better to handle. So after it is done, so then we are going for the installation of this Windows 10 in Mac OS. So now I am just opening Bootcamp, the software called to install Windows 10 in Mac OS Bootcamp. So click continue there. So once it is click continue, it will be restoring the time machine. So if there are any time machine issues there, it will be restoring it. So after it is restoring it, it will be showing you the partition. Now once the partition is shown, so you can select how much amount of space you want in Windows 10 operating system, and before that you select the ISO file that you have downloaded. So there will be a drop down menu, it will be showing you, they show the location of that drop down menu. The Mac OS automatically detects the ISO. So now you can see that I am just fixing around some 92 GB, or whichever space you want you can able to use it, and remaining space will be allocated for the Mac OS. Then you click install. So after it is installed, it will be downloading the Windows support software, so that partition the disk and then installing the drivers. Later on it will restart automatically. So while I restart, I will be showing you the direct video recording of the MacBook. So now I just got the screen, the initial screen of Windows 10 operating system. So it by default shows English United Kingdom. Since we have downloaded the international version, so I am just selecting the language to English India, as well as the keyboard layout also will be selected to India. Then next. So now in this case, if you have the 25 key code, you can press it here, you can apply it here, the product key. But if you have a Windows 7 product key also, it will be working very fantastically fine. Since I have a digital license for this MacBook Pro, I already have installed it, so I don't need, just simply use, I don't have a product key. So later on the activation will be happened automatically with the help of a digital license. Now the version you can select, so I am just writing Windows 10 Professional. So there are other versions as well, Windows 10 Home, Pro, N, all this version. So I am just using Windows 10 Pro. Then after that accept the license agreement. So now the installation is starting. So the installation, total installation for my machine is totally, it took around 20 minutes, and most of the video I have just cut it. So I just for avoiding the lengthy of the video. So now it will be restarting 2 or 3 times during the installation. So after it is restarting, it will give you the set of options that you can select in the Windows 10 operating system. So the first option being which region you belong to. So since I am from India, I select India and click yes. So after that, it just goes and give the what is the right keyboard layout. So that also I select English India. So according to your region, you can select it. So then do you want to give any other language keyboard? I said no. Then configure the Wi-Fi. So if at all any drivers needed in between, so you can configure the Wi-Fi network, so that here itself you can configure it. So once the Wi-Fi is configured, in the next screen, it will restart again. So after it is restarting, it asks whether to for personal use or any business use. I click personal use. So then I can give the username and password. So if you have any Outlook ID or if there have any account with Microsoft, you can provide that account name. So I have an account ID with the Microsoft, so I have just given the username and password. So then set the pin number. So you can set pin number for 4 pin or 5 digit or 6 digit pin number. So in my case, I have just selected the 6 pin, and you can have the option of the creating a pin number with the numbers and alphabets both. But just for the demo purpose, I have just given only numbers. So 2 times you have to give for the confirmation. So next thing is some privacy settings you want. So I just select the default privacy settings. So then customize your device. So for what purpose you are going to use this laptop or Windows 10. So yeah, I don't use gaming, so I select all the other things like productivity, family, then school work, then entertainment. So then select whatever is option, and then do you want to use phone from your PC? So in case if yes, you can give, else skip it. So I have just skipped it. Remind me later. And OneDrive, do you want to use OneDrive? If you have, else if you just you want to store all the files in my PC alone. So there is an option at the left hand side, left to bottom. So click that option so that you need not bother about any cloud storage. So maybe after configuring, you can able to use OneDrive after the Windows configuration is over. So then do you want to claim the free trial of Microsoft 365? If you want, yes, you can click it. Else you can use skip it. So next thing is Cortana. So do you want to use? So simply I just accepted it. So afterwards, now it is going for reading all the devices and other things. So this might be taking several minutes, but I have just disconnected the video, and you will be getting the icon like this. So this is the dialog box that will show you for this bootcamp software. So since it is MacBook Pro or it's a MacBook, so Apple gives a piece of software called as bootcamp software, so that you can able to customize your keyboard, customize the trackpad, everything. So within Windows, so that's why they are giving the driver. So don't forget to install this bootcamp software. If you do not use, so maybe some the trackpad or the keyboard might not able to work. So once it is done, click restart. So once the restarting is done, so you can just boot into Windows 10 operating system by default. But later on, using the option key, you can able to log into MacBook as and when it is needed. So now using the pin number, by default it comes with the pin number, login with the pin. So once it is done, you can get your desktop of Windows 10 operating system in MacBook Pro. So now go to the taskbar. So there we have the bootcamp software we have installed. Just open it, open the control panel of it, click yes, and then now you can see this software will tell you the option for booting up. So in case if you want to boot which hard disk you want to boot, whether you want to boot Mac OS or bootcamp, you can able to try that. Then in the keyboard you can select the F1 F2 key, and in the trackpad you can select tap to click, dragging, drag lock, and secondary click. All the options you click it for better handling of the trackpad, and click OK. So then I switch on my laptop or switch on my MacBook, press the option key. Now it will give you two options. So the options are, one option is Macintosh, another option is Windows. So whichever you want. So first I am selecting Windows, it will go like this. So every time whenever you want to select the operating system, you just use the option key. So now Windows is logging in. Yeah, that is in Windows. Now again I shut down the system, and now this time I will be selecting the Macintosh operating system. So now I am just shutting down, and then I just switch on it. So press the option key. Now in this case, now I am going to select the first option, Macintosh. So once the Macintosh is logging in, so you will get the Macintosh booting screen. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, share it to your friends. Welcome. Thank you.